Hey guys, my name's Will, and today you're watching the Young Success YouTube channel. One of the biggest questions I get asked is, how do I gain more respect from the adults in my life? This is a great one, because in business, in your life, in anything, if you're not respected by the decision makers, it's not gonna work out good for you. I mean, I can't say it any better. It's just, you're gonna get screwed. So with that being said, here's 3 steps on how to be respected by adults in 2018, 2019, and beyond. Oh, and stick around till the end because the last step is most definitely the best. Step number 1 is definitely gonna be your clothes, your outfit choice. You've gotta look better. Many kids don't understand that what they're wearing, I don't care if you've got freedom to wear what you want, if you're wearing a printed t-shirt that says like, some really just horrible, I've seen some horrible t-shirts out there, some horrible jean choices, some horrible, you cannot wear sweatpants into public and be respected. It's just not gonna work. It's just gotta look good. Like jeans on a t-shirt, respectable. It's not gonna go out of date anytime soon. I'll be leaving links down in the description below to a few channels that focus on your style and dressing a bit more respectable. Step number 2, now this is an important one, so listen close. Your eyes are one of the biggest assets you have to making someone respect you. So use them. If your eyes are the biggest asset to being respected, look someone in the eyes when you speak to them. It makes them feel like you're listening, and it makes them want to listen to you. This is something that I see in adults as well as children, my generation, older generations. You need to focus on this because looking someone in the eye is never gonna be outdated. You've got to use it every day. When you talk to someone, just look them in the eyes. Don't look over here, over there. A lot of things are demanding attention, but give the person who you're talking to full attention when you talk to them. Step number 3, coming in here with the knockout, man. This is the biggest one. I'm glad you stuck around because it's gonna make you be more respected as a teenager, as an adult. This stands for everyone, but we're focusing on the younger generation here. Show up on time. This is a big one. This gets put under the rug quite a bit now. It's just courtesy, and people are gonna respect you for that. If you're not on time, people are just not gonna respect you. That's the fact of the matter. You need to show up on time. I'm not saying on time, on the dot. No, 5 minutes early is on time. On the dot is late, okay? You need to be going the extra level. You gotta be going, you gotta be showing up to work, you gotta be showing up to school 5 minutes early, because if you're not, people aren't gonna respect you. They're gonna see that you're slacking, and it's really gonna hurt you. I don't know how else to say it. Show up on time, show up on time, show up on time, because it is the most important thing to being respected. If you're respecting someone's schedule, they're gonna respect you, and that's just as simple as I can put it. All right, those were my 3 tips on how to become more respected 2018, 2019, and beyond. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Go out there and win. See you guys.